Assam police working at Choraibari police watch post on Assam Tripura border arrested 9,700 bottles of intoxicating drug cough syrup in 193 carton drug worth 1 crore rupees from a lorry bearing number WB472103. At the same time, the driver and co-driver of the vehicle were arrested.
Sir, ani ko beli ko. Lo.
A huge amount of drug was recovered by Assam police at Assam Tripura border. It is learned that a 12-wheeler lorry bearing number WB472103 came in front of the Choraibari police watch post on the Assam Tripura border, and the Assam police intercepted the suspicious vehicle on Tuesday. After searching the car, 9,700 bottles of intoxicating drug cough syrup in 193 cartons were recovered, the black market value of which will be around 1 crore rupees. Driver Sanjay Roy and co-driver Sadananda Roy have been arrested. Both their homes are in Kotwali Thana area of West Bengal. A case under NDPS section has been registered against those arrested at Bajari Chora police station in Assam. The Assam police will hand over the arrested to the court on Wednesday. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.